26th floor.
Let's go back down and check the desk.
Going down.
Should we switch cars?
No, let's check with the
Okay. Check with the desk.
Yeah, let's check with the desk. We probably will.
Excuse me, Jeff. Let's step back a quick. Could you scoot your phone back a bit? Thank you, thank you. Get that
Wow.
COP shot.
Very rare Dewhurst.
Yeah, it's so rare. I've only seen it about 3 million times this week. Get that cab view. These are all right, nothing to write home about, but they're decent. At least they actually have a decent cab, unlike some of those boring freaking high rises that literally have an all metal stainless cab for like 60 something floors. Like those ones we were in last night.
Yeah.